Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. So let's jump right in. Each time you attempt to register a WhatsApp number, you encounter a recurring issue where a notification appears stating that the account is prohibited from using WhatsApp due to spamming. However, this solution can also be applied to individuals experiencing the error message that their account is unable to utilize WhatsApp. And to begin, launch your Chrome browser and enter WhatsApp into the search bar. Next, scroll down the search result and choose whatsapp.com. After clicking on whatsapp.com, you will be redirected to the WhatsApp page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. And there, you will find the Contact Us option. Once you are redirected to the new page, find the Contact Us section specifically for WhatsApp Messenger support and click on it. Now, scroll down on that page, and you will be asked to enter the phone number that you were trying to register on WhatsApp but encountered the error. Make sure to provide the correct phone number that you were trying to register, and also enter an email address that WhatsApp can use to contact you for additional information. Fill in the email address field and then confirm it by entering the same email address again to ensure accuracy. Next, scroll further down on the page. Now, select the device you use for WhatsApp, such as Android. After that, you will see a text box where you can enter your message. In this section, please provide a concise explanation regarding the reason your account was banned. You can use a message like this: "Hello team, my number was mistakenly banned from using WhatsApp. I kindly request you to review and reverse the ban. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you." After typing your description, click on the Next Step button. This will take you to another page. And on this page, select the option Send Question or Submit Question to submit your request. Once you submit the form, you can expect to receive an email within 24 hours. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.